In this quick Godot tutorial, I'll show you an easy way to scale or stretch multiple keyframes in AnimationPlayer when working with an animated Sprite 2D frame track. Let's go step by step. First, select your AnimationPlayer node. In the Animation panel, click Add Track, then choose Property Track. Now select Animated Sprite 2D and choose the frame property. This will allow AnimationPlayer to control which frame of the sprite animation is displayed. Next, select Animated Sprite 2D. At the bottom panel, open the Animation tab. In the inspector, look for the frame property. Click the key icon to insert the first keyframe at frame 0. Now click the up arrow to increase the frame value. Then click the key icon again to add another keyframe. Repeat this process, increase the frame value, then insert a keyframe. Keep doing this until the frame number can no longer increase, meaning you've reached the last frame of the sprite animation. Now you'll see that all the keys are extremely close together, making the animation play very fast. To stretch the animation quickly, we'll use snapping. Look at the icons at the bottom of the animation timeline. Enable these two options: Timeline Cursor Snapping, Selected Key Snapping this here. These help everything align perfectly on the timeline. Move the timeline cursor to the right. Because snapping is enabled, it will automatically snap to time intervals. Now select all keyframes except the first one. Drag them to the right until they snap to the timeline cursor. Then move the timeline cursor further right again. Select the remaining keyframes and drag them to snap to the new cursor position. Repeat this process until all keyframes are spaced out properly. Now your animation will play much smoother and slower without having to recreate the keys. And that's a fast trick to scale or stretch multiple keyframes in AnimationPlayer and Godot. If this helped you speed up your animation workflow, consider subscribing for more quick Godot tips.